When you're married to a member of the armed forces, you don't just support military life, you live it every day, right alongside them. And just like your service member receives important benefits, you do too. In this video, we'll walk through the insurance benefits that directly affect you as an active duty military spouse, including health, dental, vision, and life insurance. Let's start with the benefit military spouses tend to rely on the most, health coverage. Tricare is the primary healthcare program for service members, retirees, reservists, and their families. As a military spouse, you become eligible once your service member or sponsor enrolls you in the Defense Enrollment Eligibility Reporting System, or DEERS, a database that verifies eligibility for benefits. Once enrolled, Tricare brings together military hospitals and clinics with civilian providers, creating a network that gives you access to routine and preventative care, specialty, maternity, emergency, and mental health care, plus prescription coverage. If your sponsor's on active duty, your Tricare program depends on where they're stationed. There are 4 prime options. Tricare Prime covers primary U.S. areas with military hospitals and clinics, supplemented with a civilian-provided network. Tricare Prime Remote is for remote U.S. locations where the sponsor lives and works more than 50 miles or a 1-hour drive from a military hospital or clinic. Tricare Prime Overseas covers areas near overseas military hospitals and clinics. Tricare Prime Remote Overseas supplements designated remote overseas locations. Beyond access to the same program as your sponsor, you may qualify for additional options. Tricare Select is a self-managed, preferred provider option available throughout the U.S. It offers flexibility in choosing both network and non-network providers, typically without the need for referrals. Cost structures, including enrollment fees, deductibles, and co-payments, vary based on your sponsor's date of entry into service. This option can be especially beneficial for families seeking more freedom in managing their care. Tricare Select Overseas provides similar services internationally. You can choose among Tricare authorized overseas providers without referrals in most cases. Some services require pre-authorization, and you may need to pay in advance and file for reimbursement. This is an important consideration for financial planning and access to timely care. U.S. Family Health Plan, or USFHP, is available in 6 designated regions within the U.S. and offers access to community-based, nonprofit healthcare systems. While this model eliminates enrollment fees and minimizes out-of-pocket costs for spouses, it requires full reliance on the USFHP system and does not allow the use of military treatment facilities or the broader Tricare network. Tricare Prime Demo, currently offered in Tampa, Florida, and Atlanta, Georgia regions throughout the CareSource Military and Veterans Network, provides a hybrid model of care. Referrals are not required for in-network services, though some treatments still require pre-authorization. Enrollees should be aware that access to military hospitals and clinics is generally limited to emergency care. Costs mirror those of Tricare Prime, and prescription coverage remains within the standard Tricare pharmacy program. These healthcare programs are designed to meet a wide range of medical needs for military spouses, depending on your location, lifestyle, and continuity of care needs. But of course, healthcare insurance doesn't stop there. Dental care is another important piece of the puzzle. As an active duty military spouse, you may qualify for Tricare Dental, a voluntary plan through United Concordia. Premiums depend on the service member's active or reserve status, rank, and whether you choose a single enrollment for one dependent like a spouse or a child, or family enrollment to cover multiple dependents. Tricare Dental covers 100% of diagnostic and preventative services, like cleanings and x-rays, as well as emergency services. For other procedures, cost shares apply, and your share depends on the type of service and your sponsor's pay grade. For restorative and surgical care, your share generally ranges from 20 to 50%. Dental work can get expensive. Tricare Dental helps keep your costs predictable through set premiums and shared expenses. Dental care is one part of staying healthy. Another area military spouses often ask about is vision coverage. Under Tricare plans, you get 1 routine eye exam per year from authorized providers, but glasses and contacts for routine vision correction are not covered. The U.S. Family Health Plan offers similar coverage, but check the details with providers. If you need coverage beyond exams, there's another option. Military spouses enrolled in qualifying Tricare health plans can choose vision coverage through the Federal Employees Dental and Vision Insurance Program, or FEDVIP. It offers comprehensive vision coverage from multiple carriers, giving you the flexibility to pick a plan that fits your needs. You pay the full premium, which varies based on where you live and the enrollment type, and there's no employer contribution. FEDVIP includes routine eye exams, eyeglass frames and lenses, and contact lenses at many offices and retail stores. It even offers coverage for special lens features and discounts on laser eye surgery. If you wear glasses or contacts, FEDVIP Vision may help keep your costs manageable. Just check each plan's statement of benefits for restrictions and limitations. We've covered health, dental, and vision. Now let's talk about the type of coverage that helps us protect the well-being of those we love most: life insurance. You may be surprised to learn that military life insurance coverage extends to spouses as well. Service Members Group Life Insurance, or SGLI, covers those on active duty. Its companion program, Family Service Members Group Life Insurance, or FSGLI, provides life insurance for spouses and dependent children of SGLI enrolled service members. Spouses can get up to $100,000 of coverage in $10,000 increments, but it can't exceed the service members' coverage. Premiums, often more affordable than civilian policies, are based on the age and the amount of coverage. They start at just 40 cents per month for $10,000 of coverage in the youngest age bracket and go up to $40 per month for the maximum coverage in the highest age bracket. Dependent children also get $10,000 in FSGLI coverage at no cost. Life insurance can be an important financial safeguard. If you'd like guidance in determining the right amount of coverage for your situation, a financial advisor can help you explore your options and make informed decisions. As important as these benefits are, military life is full of transitions, and those changes can affect your insurance options. If your service member separates, Tricare coverage ends. Some families may qualify for temporary coverage through the Transitional Assistance Management Program, or TAMP. Coverage may also be purchased through the Continued Healthcare Benefit Program, a bridge to civilian insurance. Upon retirement, families move to Tricare retiree plans, and FEDVIP becomes your source for dental and vision coverage. FSGLI ends at retirement, so spouses may need to explore a civilian policy to maintain coverage. In the case of divorce, former spouses lose Tricare unless they remain unmarried and meet certain criteria. With so many moving parts, staying informed can make a real difference. Let's wrap things up. Military insurance benefits support those who serve our country and the families who serve with them. Taking the time to learn about health, dental, vision, and life insurance benefits can empower you to make confident decisions as your family pursues financial security. If you like this video, check out our playlist designed specifically for military spouses.